This video is all on the application process and funding your Lightspeed account. So when you go into Lightspeed, to open your account, you're going to click up here on Open Account, and it will bring you to this page where you will fill out the typical questions that all the brokers ask. Just make sure that you're choosing the right trading platform that you want, the Lightspeed Trader. And then later in the process, it's going to ask you questions about if you want to do options. If you're planning on doing options sometime in the future, you may want to do it just now, because with your first application, you can sign up for options online. Whereas if you're trying to do it later, you're going to have to ask them to enable you to do options, and then they're going to email you a PDF that you have to print out, fill out, scan back in, and email back to them. So it's kind of an annoying process, so it's better just to do it on your original application if you think that you're going to be doing options. Once you've done your application, they get back to you pretty quickly on accepting you, and then it's time to fund your account. They'll send you an email with wiring instructions, so that's the first option that you can do to fund your account. The second way is you have to wait for them to email you a login. Then you will log in up here, log onto your account, and then up here on funding, you click there, and this is where you'll do your ACH setup. You hit set up a new ACH. You have to type in Lightspeed account number, your routing number to the bank account number. Then they're going to do the micro deposits, and once you get those micro deposits, you will confirm it here. And on almost every page, they do a two-step verification. And then once you have that linked, you'll receive an email saying that it's linked and that you can fund the account using the ACH. And they'll have a PDF attached that you're going to have to fill out, and then you have to attach a voided check. This is so that you can withdraw money from your account. They're slightly behind on the online processing stuff, but they do have great customer service, so things usually happen pretty quickly. If you have any questions about funding your account, let us know or talk to Lightspeed. Thanks.